Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Optical Bitcoin. Ticker symbol is OBTC. I saw this token get listed today on CoinMarketCap. It might be listed on CoinGecko as well. It's doing amazing though. It's up 141.91% right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Optical Bitcoin. Ticker symbol OBTC. Their official webpage is opticalbitcoin.org. They have their block explorer listed on CoinMarketCap, Discord, Twitter, and they have their GitHub on here, price chart. So right now, it's up 302% now. So I just refreshed the page basically, and I guess maybe that was the last time I checked in the morning. It was up 141. Now it's up 302%, sitting at 49.8 cents per token. Yeah, chart's just exploding. Lots of bullish comments on here too as well. Looks like at least 5 decent comments here. Somebody's asking, where can I buy? Which is funny because CoinMarketCap actually tells you where you can buy. So I don't know why. I mean, that guy must be new to CoinMarketCap. So the 2 places where you can get this token right now, according to CoinMarketCap, is TXBit. So TXBIT, that's an exchange that you could download from the app stores, and yeah, you just open an account, fund your account with USDT. That's what it's paired with. Go into the trade section, search OBTC, and then buy the token. Or you can get it off a different exchange called Trade Ogre, and on Trade Ogre it is paired with Bitcoin. So you would fund your account with Bitcoin and then buy OBTC. So those are 2 different ways: TXBit and Trade Ogre. And besides that, a lot of the information is going to be on their page. There might be other places. Just CoinMarketCap doesn't tell you right now. So opticalbitcoin.org, over there it says, what is Optical Bitcoin? Well, Optical Bitcoin is a fork of Bitcoin aiming to reduce mining energy consumption via compatibility with cutting-edge optical compute cores. Like Bitcoin, OBTC is a distributed digital currency that enables instant payments to anyone, anywhere in the world. OBTC uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority. Managing transactions and issuing money is carried out collectively by the network. OBTC's core is the name of the open source software which enables the use of this currency. So it says, join the Optical Bitcoin community. You can mine, set up a GPU mining node, and contribute to the overall hash power. So that's a way you can get tokens as well as by mining. If you are, you could there's download links and stuff like that on their webpage here too. It's if you are technically well versed, try an FPGA miner. There's information link about that. Or you could run a node, start a validation node, join the peer-to-peer network, and help propagate transactions. Or you contribute. Optical Bitcoin is open source in nature. Thus, contributions are welcome. There is a myriad of tasks that can help improve Optical Bitcoin's infrastructure and strengthen the community. All of them range from non-technical and creative to highly technical. For more specific information, please check out our contribution page. So they do have a contribution page on their web page here. They also have links to all sorts of things. Their Discord, Telegram, their thread here nodes, GPU miner, pay server, explorer, official mining pool, and XBitron, it says they're listed on as well, and Trade Ogre, and then TXBit. So those are 3 different exchanges it's listed on. So what is the hashing algorithm? Well, Optical Bitcoin uses the heavy hash algorithm, which is designed to give a mining advantage to optical processing units, and therefore improving the energy efficiency of the mining network. And you can read more about that on their page too if you want. It says, where can I learn about network parameters? Well, the total supply of optical Bitcoin is 42 million. Mining reward halving happens every 420,000 blocks. Network difficulty regulates by an assert algorithm. How can I get some OBTC? Well, I already said that. You can get it on Trade Ogre, XBitron, or TXBit. It says support, donate OBTC to the dev team. I guess you buy the tokens and then donate them if you want to. That's interesting. So yeah, they have resources, a GitHub here. They have a POWX you could check out. So if you click on contribute, it says many eyeballs make bugs shallow. Okay. You can there's a contact us button. So if you want to look at technical information, it says you need to be able to manage your own work responsibly, review and submit pull requests, fix bugs and solve issues, develop new functionality and support existing infrastructure. This is all in the contribute section. And then non-technical, it says design a branding suggestion, community moderation and management, and blog writing, it says. So that's interesting. They have a community website as well. If I click on that, let me see what happens there. That takes me over to opticalbitcoin.com. So the first web page was opticalbitcoin.org, and their community page is opticalbitcoin.com. Optical Bitcoin, low energy mining with light beams. OBTC is the first coin to propose using optical processing chips for mining. There's a tweet from CoinDesk, I guess, talking about mining. And yeah, you can check this out. They do have a full white paper listed on this page as well. It says they have a video that's currently unavailable. But yeah, kind of goes over a little bit of the same information. Looks like it has a little bit more information on this web page. If you go over to the community one, they even have a roadmap over here. Basically goes with it starts with the concept in 2017, prototyping and testing, proof of concept, white paper published, further developments, OBTC is launched, OBTC is wrapped, block difficulty, community benefits, getting smarter and knowing more, and future. And each one of those things, that's the title, but then each one has subheadings of what they're doing in the roadmap underneath those things. But yeah, if you check out opticalbitcoin.com, they have a lot more information on this page if you want to check that out. Looks like they have their team is somewhat doxed on here. I don't see pictures, but they do have Google Scholar links as well. Interesting. And social links for a lot of them too. Super cool. Check it out. Optical Bitcoin. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Optical Bitcoin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. I just realized this is the #1 top gainer for the day too, is Optical Bitcoin right now. So, exploding. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.